Alright guys, we are back with this tournament 1 versus 1 fragates. First match, NG won. Let's see how this battle is going to be. Let's just go on the heli. Both are on the helis, both are trying to make damage on the heli. Both kill both helis at the same time. Let's see. Angie looks like it's coming around the mountain. Arsa 2. Arsa just killed one of the helis. Let's see. Maybe this can be better. We see Arsa getting, and she's gonna crash into the mountain. Oof. That's a really good battle. Who's gonna win this one? Let's see. Oof. Angie won 2 battles. Let's take the screenshot.